So for exercise number 2, we're going to try and redo the exercise that we just did, except for carbon dioxide. And again, air versus carbon dioxide, which is heavier? You can look that up by finding the molecular mass. The speed of sound in a medium depends on how springy the medium is. So if the molecules are heavier, it's harder for them to move, so they don't spring back as fast. So what I'm going to do is, let me show you here. I've got some dry ice. I was just trying to grab some of it off here. Dry ice. I went back to the chemistry department, raided their dry ice machine. So I'm going to put some of this dry ice into my tube. Move the speaker aside. And so what I want to do is move it up to the top and let it sit there for a while so that the carbon dioxide, so it'll push out all the regular air in the tube. And then if it goes down slowly, right now I'm at 350, I'm going to start my speaker. There should be carbon dioxide in there. All right, so the first resonance was around 21.5. .4. Maybe 21. All right, I'm going to put a little bit more of the dry ice. And again, dry ice, it's not water. It's not like ice that you dried off. It's carbon dioxide that's frozen. So let me just put a little bit more in. Get it. And we already know it's at the top. Now let's move down. This way I have a nice supply of it, and we can listen to our second resonance. So let's go ahead and move this down here. So you can see the dry ice is agitating and it's fogging up the interior. Sometimes it's hard to hear the resonance when the surface is not a nice smooth surface. So we may have to wait a while till it kind of stops moving around so much. I put a really big piece in there. All right, it's kind of hard to hear any resonance, so I'm going to go back up. It's, I have to wait a few seconds. Let's just wait for it to go in there. So the whole tube now, assumingly, is filled with carbon dioxide. Let's see if we can hear any. There it is. Okay, let's move down a little. At 65, 60, okay, I'm sorry, 60.5, not 65, 60.5, 60.0, it's like 60 centimeters. Okay.